Are you looking for a wireless karaoke microphone for your karaoke setup at home? I just found a really affordable one that is going to blow your mind. If you've been following this channel for a while, you do know that I'm more of like an analog guy. I like chords, but this one I just couldn't resist. So we're doing a setup for this karaoke mixer and the PYLE PDWM 2135 with two wireless handheld microphones. But before we get into that, hit that like button and give your boy a sub to help me keep this channel going. Wireless microphone and karaoke mixer is coming up after the intro. This setup is pretty easy. Everything is pretty much plug and play. You start with looking for your TV's audio out. The usual outputs can be a 3.5mm aka auxiliary cord, optical, which is also a digital out, and for older TVs it's an RCA. So you find the output and connect that to the music in of the karaoke mixer. Most slim TVs come out with dual 10-watt RMS speakers, which tend to blare on volumes that go above 70%. So if you want quality audio experience, I'd recommend that you invest in home theater or at least a separate speaker system. I actually did a video about this setup using computer speakers, and I suggest you check it out. Well, now I'm actually curious, what speaker system do you use for your setup? Do you use computer speakers? Do you use a soundbar, a PA system, or a really full home theater experience? I would love it if you leave it in the comments below because I really want to find out what everyone else is using for their karaoke setup. So if you're in this category of having separate speakers, all you need to do is grab your speaker system and look for the input. Those are usually 3.5mm optical or RCA, and then plug it into the music out of the mixer. If you have an older TV, meaning it's not a smart TV, I'd get an Anycast device to be able to cast YouTube to the TV. I personally use Google Chromecast. Now for the best part. The beauty of this mic system is that all you have to do is plug this into the mic input and turn the mic on. It connects within seconds and the range is really good. So all you have to do is grab your phone, cast YouTube, type the title of the karaoke song you want, and sing your heart out. What are the pros? It's cheap, it's versatile, it's very professional looking. What are the cons? It's cheap, and you'll need to buy a lot of batteries because this thing eats up 2 AA batteries within 2 hours. So what I did was I bought this amazing charger. I love this Tenergy charger because it's a 16-bay charger and it has smart circuit detection, which means that all 16 channels function independently of each other. It also allows any combination from AA to AAA or NEM batteries to be charged at once with a clear LCD display of current charge status. I love this because you could do charge or discharge. You can drain a battery, which is really healthy for the battery, and it extends its life. The large volume of channels eliminates the need of multiple chargers, and it cuts down on charging time. It has a built-in smart technology that provides full protection against overcharging, overheating, short circuit, overcurrent, and reverse polarity on the Tenergy battery charger. Additionally, the 8-hour safety protection will help save energy and prolong the battery life. It's really easy to use. Cycling feature fully discharges and charges your cells to extend their overall lifespan and performance. And a set of rechargeable batteries. For the batteries, I use an Eneloop NEM low self-discharge batteries that have the new technology that allows them to be recharged for up to 2100 times to make sure I can keep the party going all night. Be sure to click and buy from the links in the description below to help me keep this channel going. Thanks so much for watching, and always remember, just keep singing.
I love you.